The Large Room Humidifier, with a capacity of over 4.2 gallons, is designed to maintain optimal humidity levels in spaces up to 2,000 square feet, making it perfect for large bedrooms, whole houses, and offices. Its smart technology allows you to customize humidity settings between 40 and 90%, ensuring the mist output adapts to the room's needs with 4 adjustable mist levels. Ideal for bedrooms, this humidifier features an aroma diffuser and a soothing nightlight, creating a calming atmosphere to enhance sleep quality while operating quietly. The top fill design simplifies refilling and cleaning, featuring a wide-opening water tank and a stainless steel atomizer for reduced maintenance costs and long-lasting performance. This humidifier offers excellent service support, including a 30-day free replacement and a 1-year warranty, ensuring a worry-free experience for the user. With its sleek design and robust features, the Large Room Humidifier by Lacidoll is a reliable choice for maintaining comfortable air quality in large spaces.